How to fix Far West is crashing on Steam. So first you want to open up the properties window by right clicking on your game, and then in the launch options box you want to add -dx11 command, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Now once this process is done, you can close out of Steam and then open up a new browser. And if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download the NVIDIA app from nvidia.com, and then open up the NVIDIA app and go to the drivers tab. From here, make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. And then once you install it, you want to also make sure to install the redistributables. And to get to this link, you want to simply search for redist, click on the first link, and then scroll down to the second table. And make sure to download and install both of these right here, 86 and 64. Now once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. And just after the restart, you want to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can open up the game again, and this should fix the crash. Thanks for watching and subscribe.